In this area, the cherry blossoms or sakuras still bloom. How beautiful these things are. Look how pretty. I hope the camera can capture how beautiful these flowers are. The full bloom must have been last week. Just pretty, pretty. So pretty. Little shrine. This area is surrounded by shrines. I cannot get any closer, but this area is surrounded by shrines and forests. Now I'm walking for the Tenkawa forest, and it's really nice. Down in the Nara city is already spring, but up here in the mountains still winter. Right now it's like 3 degrees or 37 Fahrenheit, and it's cold. It's really cold, but it's beautiful. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. This forest looks so nice, so pretty. Those trees are so tall, and it's cold. But nothing better than a morning walk through the forest. I was really looking forward to this walk through the forest. Super cool, super nice. I'm gonna show you the river now. The river is beautiful, crystal clear. This area, Tenkawa city, is famous for the mineral water. So later, my wife and I, we are gonna go and collect some water. That water is free. You can go and collect it. But in internet, here in Japan, 1 liter of that water is $5. That is expensive. And we can get it for free when we come this area. Look at the winter. At least the snow is gone now. I would have seen some snow. I like snow. But this walk is pretty epic. It's not a big river, but that water is so crystal clear. It's just awesome. Beautiful, beautiful to see. Crystal clear water. Now I'm going up the mountain to a viewpoint and you can see the whole town. You can choose your own difficulty: easy, difficult, flat ground, mountain. It's all up to you. It's pretty cool. You gotta be careful with this wood. They can be very slippery when they're wet. And this bridge is kind of famous in Nara area. It's a hanging bridge. It's pretty long. Right now, I'm here. You have all those trails to hike. It's pretty epic. In spring, the cherry blossom, the sakura. So you can choose your own trail, easy, difficult, whatever you want. And now the bridge. Oh, this bridge, when you walk on it, swivels. I don't know in the camera you can see it, but it's moving. It's not a rigid bridge. And that is the town. Tenkawa. Tenkawa town. Yeah. It's swimming. This bridge is just moving with the wind. That's it. That's the whole town. Not really big. All the mountain up there in front is full of trails. And the mountain behind here is full of trails too. And then in this area there are like 2 limestone caves. I probably will visit one that I haven't visited before. They are not big, but they are really narrow. Really, you really have to get on your knees to crawl around those caves. It's pretty cool. If you suffer or claustrophobic, well, that's bad. But it's pretty good. I hit my head a few times last time I went into one. Making it to the viewpoint. Yep, I'm breathing heavily, out of shape. I start down there, now I'm coming up here. It's a rocky road. You gotta be careful with your steps. Whew. Let's see what we got. You gotta be careful. This roof is not very tall. So you are like 6 feet tall. You gotta watch your head. That's the view. That over there in front is the cemetery. High school. Small cute town. If you keep going up that way, there is another point view over there. Well, it's a bit too far for me today. How beautiful these flowers. You can see it all over the place. So pretty. I guess I'm getting old because now I like trees and flowers. Oops, not cool, but really pretty. Well, that's it for my morning walk around the Tenkawa forest. There are many trails to choose. Easy, difficult, it's up to you. One thing you need to know is to come to Tenkawa City, you only can come by car or bus. There are no trains. But it is worth coming all the way here. It's a beautiful, beautiful town. It's a very traditional town and people is very friendly. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I have more videos coming for you. Thank you. Peace.